Mabuhay and good day to everyone. I am Ronald Bugirin and I will be reporting on the social marketing plan for our group project Mindanao. Mindanao, the social marketing campaign, focuses on how to break the common misconception about Mindanao and how it can bring them a voice to highlight the everyday realities in the region. What the campaign wants to highlight is that Mindanao is never a problem region, but a community that is to be understood. Oftentimes, most of the misconceptions are brought about how Mindanao is portrayed in the news, films, and social media. The campaign wants to break the conflict-ridden narratives and instead focus on human-centered Mindanao realities. This kind of messaging observes the hierarchy of effects model, where the campaign not only focuses on awareness about Mindanao, but moves towards understanding the common issues of the region and asks viewers a call to action on common Mindanao issues. It is grounded also on communication for development framework, which emphasizes storytelling, participatory media, and behavior change to challenge Mindanao stereotypes and reduce inequalities. Mindanao is often depicted through the lens of conflict, but Mindanao invites us to see it differently. Let's shift our focus to what truly defines Mindanao: its everyday heroes, the vibrant tapestry of its diverse cultures, and the dreams that resonate with people across the Philippines. These elements create a rich and multifaceted identity that goes beyond the headlines. Our core message is to recognize and celebrate this diversity. Mindanao is not just a place of struggle, it is a place of strength and aspiration filled with stories of resilience and hope. By understanding these core messages, we can begin to appreciate Mindanao not just a region of challenges, but as a community that shares common dreams with the rest of the country. The supporting messages of the Mindanao campaign focuses on three pivotal themes: countering stereotypes, promoting inclusivity, and empowering voices. For countering stereotypes, Mindanao is often mischaracterized by fear and conflict. Yet, this is a narrow perspective. The true essence of Mindanao is encapsulated by its people, their resilience, their stories, and their vibrant culture. It's essential to recognize that conflict and war are just fragments of a much larger narrative. The richness of indigenous communities and their traditions paint a fuller picture of what Mindanao is. Moving on to promoting inclusivity, the diversity within Mindanao is a testament to its strength. It is a mosaic of different identities and cultures that come together to share a common humanity. Embracing this diversity is key to building a more inclusive understanding of the region. Lastly, we aim to empower the voices of Mindanao through the Mindanao campaign. It's about letting the authentic voices of Mindanaoans be heard as their stories are integral to reshaping perceptions. The stories told by the people of Mindanao matter immensely and can bring a change in narrative. Each of these messages play a critical role in transforming how Mindanao is viewed, making it not just a place of challenges, but a community of hope and shared dreams. As we shift our focus to the youth, let's consider an intriguing thought. What if everything you knew about Mindanao was incomplete? This question challenges our preconceived notions and invites curiosity. We need to recognize that the narrative often told doesn't capture the full riches of Mindanao's reality. By encouraging young people to explore beyond the surface, we empower them to discover the vibrant stories and diverse cultures that truly define this region. The call to action here is clear: change the story, share the now. Through the initiatives like Mindanao, we can inspire the youth to take an active role in reshaping perceptions. By sharing authentic experiences and voices from Mindanao, they can paint a more accurate and hopeful picture of their home. In doing so, we not only foster understanding and empathy, but also pave the way for a future where Mindanao is celebrated for its true essence, its peoples, stories, and dreams. Let's dive into the heart of our message for the general public. Start by asking, when was the last time you heard a good story about Mindanao? This question is key as it encourages people to reflect on their perceptions and opens the door to the positive stories that often go untold. We often see Mindanao in the headlines for conflict, but there's a rich tapestry of life beyond those stories. It's a place of vibrant cultures, resilient communities, and inspiring individuals. It highlights the importance of looking past the headlines. There's so much more to discover about Mindanao: the everyday stories of hope, joy, and perseverance. These are the narratives that showcase the true spirit of the region. We want to focus on empowering the local communities of Mindanao by highlighting the importance of sharing their unique stories. First, emphasize that your daily life deserves to be seen. This message encourages individuals to recognize the value of their everyday experiences and the impact their stories can have on reshaping perceptions. It's about celebrating the ordinary moments that truly define the region. Next, invite them to actively participate with This is Your Mindanao. Tell us your story. This call to action is essential because it opens the door to personal narratives to take center stage, ensuring that the voices of those who live in Mindanao are heard and valued. By embracing these stories, we can work together to craft a more inclusive and accurate portrayal of Mindanao, one that moves beyond stereotypes and highlights the beauty of its diverse communities. The use of a unifying hashtag Mindanao supports the collective identity formation and increases message visibility, allowing audiences to participate in reshaping narratives through shared content. Hashtags serves as participatory tools that amplify marginalized voices and encourage user-generated content. It is also one way to monitor and evaluate the reach of the campaign, as social media tools can now track the number of shares and views on a particular hashtag. Our campaign Mindanao rests on a solid foundation of content pillars designed to promote global development goals. We aim to encourage inclusive representation and ensure equal participation across regions and social groups. Firstly, day in the life stories. These narratives bring to life the everyday experiences of teachers, fishermen, scientists, and mothers. By showcasing their stories, we hope to foster a deeper understanding and appreciation of diverse roles within our community. Secondly, we have reflection prompts. These are feedback opportunities for viewers to share their thoughts and experiences after engaging with our content. This interactive element not only enriches the conversation, but also empowers the audience to become active participants in the narrative. And finally, myth versus reality posts. Here, we tackle common misconceptions about Mindanao, providing factual insights that challenge stereotypes and reveal the true essence of the region. And let's not forget community voices, where the spotlight is on local Mindanaoans themselves, offering them a platform to share their authentic stories and perspectives. Together, these content pillars not only celebrate the vibrant culture of Mindanao, but also contribute to a more inclusive and equitable global dialogue. The main platforms we are targeting for the Mindanao campaign are TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. These platforms have been chosen for their broad reach, especially in Mindanao, and the ability to engage diverse audiences through dynamic content. Importantly, the campaign will embrace linguistic diversity by delivering content in both Filipino and English. We'll also incorporate local languages such as Cebuano, Maguindanaoan, and Tausug, ensuring that our messages are as inclusive and accessible as possible. This approach not only broadens our reach but also respects and celebrates the cultural richness of Mindanao. By leveraging these platforms and languages, the campaign aims to create a vibrant dialogue and foster a sense of community. It's about connecting with people in a way that is both meaningful and relevant to their lives. This platform strategy is crucial for amplifying the voices of Mindanaoans and challenging misconceptions. We're not just broadcasting messages, we are inviting engagement and participation from all corners of the region. In conclusion, the Mindanao social marketing campaign leverages the power of storytelling to craft a compelling digital strategy aimed at challenging and reducing inequalities associated with Mindanao. By engaging with audiences through various social media platforms, the campaign aspires to reshape perceptions, positioning Mindanao as a region of development and potential, and ultimately offering its people the support they deserve. It's important to highlight that this approach not only fosters a deeper understanding and appreciation of Mindanao, but also promotes an inclusive dialogue that bridges gaps and builds connections across diverse communities. As we continue to push these narratives forward, we are hopeful that the impact will extend beyond digital screens, creating tangible changes that uplift and empower the people of Mindanao. And these are the references used for this report. My groupmate will discuss further the social mobilization plan for the Mindanao, which will focus on great growth and skills development for Mindanaoans. Dagang salamat sa Indogabos.